Designing a high torque, low RPM in-wheel hub motor for AGVs was a true engineering challenge. The demand was clear: compact size, high torque, smooth operation, and absolute reliability.
These demands, we started from the core, literally. Our design uses high-grade permanent magnets and premium-grade lamination materials, carefully selected to maximize torque output while minimizing losses. This was critical in achieving consistent low RPM performance without overheating or vibration. We went through several stages of integration and multiple prototype iterations. Each one refined the electrical, mechanical, and thermal characteristics of the motor. From winding techniques to rotor design and bearing selection, every detail was optimized. Every prototype was subjected to rigorous testing, aligned with AGV industry standards and guidelines. Torque, load endurance, thermal stability, noise levels, all validated to ensure real-world performance in demanding environments. We didn't stop at lab testing. The motors were integrated in actual AGV platforms and evaluated under simulated working conditions, heavy loads, stop-start cycles, and long duration runs. With performance proven and reliability confirmed, we have now successfully transitioned into full-scale production for the AGV industry. Our hub motors are already being supplied to customers and running in live application.
This is not just a motor, it's a result of deep R&D, material science, and intelligent integration. High torque, low RPM, industry-grade reliability, proudly engineered for the future of autonomous mobility. At Mecwin, we can design and develop motors from concept to application. For any kind of requirement, just call on this number given, and don't forget to follow and subscribe to our all social media platforms.